So I added a power steering intercooler to the Jeep. It's pretty simple. Took a little bit of work. You want to cut the factory line that's at the top here. That's where your new power steering line is going to go. So just cut that, and then there's another line that I'm going to go to that's down here. That brass fitting is. That's where the factory line would normally go, but now you want to run that to your power steering cooler. And that one as well. My lines are running right through here. See if I can point that out for you, right in here. Comes right out here. I know it looks all Miati and ricery, but you know, whatever. That's a B&M transmission intercooler, since I figured getting a transmission intercooler would work, since Jeeps use ATF-4, pardon me. And then I use the factory brackets here. I know I use zip ties, ran out of bolts. I have to come back and fix that later. I'm not sure what those originally go. My Jeep is a manual, so I'm not sure if automatic transmissions have a cooler there, but I'm using a pre-existing bolt hole that I made to hold my mesh grill guard, and that's where the cooler is located. Just bled it. Gonna need a little more transmission fluid than normal, but instead of that, it's pretty easy. Gonna want to pop out the air box, make it a lot easier. I flipped that back as well, just to get some more elbow room. Don't need very many tools. It's pretty basic stuff, so anyone should be able to really do that. Good luck.